This Ramzan, try my top 4 recipes for Iftar. Let's make these super crispy chicken and potato cheese balls. Start with marinating the chicken with ginger garlic paste, black pepper, salt, some garam masala and chili powder. Let it marinate and in the meantime prepare all your veggies. Heat some oil in a pan. Now sear the chicken on both the sides. Cover and let it cook on low flame. Once done, shred them. Now in the same pan saute chili and garlic. Add in the onions and rest of the veggies. Now add in butter, saute some maida, add in milk and create white sauce. Combine all this along with shredded. For the slurry, add all-purpose flour, salt, pepper and water. Now take 3 boiled and mashed potatoes, add in the cooled chicken mix along with spices. Apply some oil, place cheese in the center and roll a ball, dip it in the slurry, coat in breadcrumbs, and now it's time to fry. Fry these in medium hot oil on medium flame. Do not touch them for 30 seconds and then start stirring the oil for even color. And now they're ready. Golden and super crispy, stuffed with noodles and veggies. Let's make this spicy desi Chinese spring roll for upcoming Ramadan season. Start with boiling your water, add in salt and noodles and cook them well and keep it aside. Now add in soya sauce, tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, some vinegar and black pepper powder along with Szechuan chutney. Give it a good mix and a sauce is ready. Heat some oil, add in ginger, garlic and green chilies, saute some green onions, carrot, capsicum, cabbage along with salt and black pepper. Now add in your noodles and sauce it, toss it well. Lastly add in some green onions, mix it well and let it cook. Now take the spring roll sheet and roll it nice and tight along with the filling as shown in the video. Seal it with some maida and water slurry and now they are ready to fry. Fry these in medium hot oil on medium flame and now they are ready. Warm and cozy, fluffy layers packed with garlicky, cheesy flavor is all you need this winter. Let's make cheesy, garlicky bread rolls. In a bowl, combine water, sugar, yeast, let it activate, and then add in all-purpose flour with salt. Knead the dough with some milk. Add in butter and knead until the dough turns from sticky to non-sticky like this. Cover and let it rest until it doubles. Combine soft butter, minced garlic, oregano, chili flakes and coriander leaves. Now once the dough is risen, knead it for 1 or 2 minutes more. Roll it out, apply a garlic butter, onions, capsicum and mozzarella cheese. Now roll it nice and tight and then cut it into rolls like this. Shape it with your fingers and then arrange in an oil greased pan. Cover and rest for 10 minutes and then apply milk before baking them. Once baked, apply some butter and then enjoy the cheesy and garlicky goodness. Golden and crispy boxes filled with creamy and cheesy surprise is all you need to make this Ramzan. Let's make these chili cheese corn parcels. For the filling, heat some oil, add in green chilies and garlic, add in onions, red and green capsicum, some crushed paneer and corn along with all the seasonings. Saute them nicely. Now make some space, add in some butter and maida, roast it well and add in some milk to make white sauce like this. Now combine everything, add in some fresh cream, a cheese cube and some coriander leaves. Now let the filling cool completely and then use samosa putty sheets and use maida and water slurry as glue to make the parcels as shown in the video. Once our parcels are ready, you can freeze these for Ramzan or fry it immediately in medium hot oil on medium flame until they are golden and crispy and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Meet you next time. Until then, bye bye.